So I've been asked to paint a forest. Now, if you know any of my paintings, you probably can see them on TikTok if you want to. I like to paint impasto. I'm quite new to it, but I really, really love it, especially when I have to paint with the knife. When I do like thick stripes of paint, like thick brushes, it's just so mesmerizing and relaxing for me and meditative. So yeah, as soon as they asked me to paint a forest, I was like, okay, forest is not a subject I've painted very often, but I would love to go for it. So I decided to just start by doing it easy, just a few tree trunks with like a few tree crowns, to say it in a way, but all very impressionistic and very abstract, okay, not to overwhelm myself into details. And I actually quite liked the way it turned out. So, I was like, okay, I'm up for it. I'm uploading this video just because I decided that I'm going to upload as many videos as I can in a week. I'm going to be realistic, it's not going to be on a daily basis or every other day, because I'm a human being. I'm a mom of an almost 2-year-old. I study. I know at 38 I should have my shit together, but I don't. So I'm studying again, and I'm working, and life gets in the middle, so I'm not going to be able to upload a video every day. I do try to paint every day, but sometimes I only have like half an hour, so I do with what I have. And here's the result of what I've been painting. I was really enjoying it. So now that same person was like, okay, now I want you to do like a cityscape, but like one of those old-fashioned ones. She wanted like a couple walking through shops, like Sevilla shops, and rain outside. So I was like, okay, I have to do some studying for that, but I'm up for the challenge, and that's gonna come up soon. Anyway, I really enjoyed painting this. I'm quite new to this, so it's gonna take me a few takes. However, for a first painting of a forest, I think I've done a quite good job, and I'm going to continue like that. I've used mainly forest green, obviously, a cerulean blue, lavender, white, and light sienna, if I'm not mistaken. And I actually quite really like it.